Hey, good.
E, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, O, P, Q, R, S, T, V.
That's just a U. That's a U.
V.
U. That's a V.
V.
Okay. UV.
V.
We'll just agree to disagree. It's UV.
V.
Okay.
V. That is Z.
Yay! What a good boy! What a good boy! What a good boy! You're so big. That's so big. High five. High five. Yes! You know your letters. That's pretty awesome. That's pretty awesome. Yay, Brandon. Good job, Brandon. Good job.